Hello everyone, this is Munam from WP Swings and welcome all of you to our channel of WP Swings, where we discuss WordPress and WooCommerce solutions that can help you grow your online business, which will ultimately assist you to provide a top-notch user experience and customer satisfaction. Hence, stay tuned with our channel to keep getting back-to-back product tutorials and interesting updates. Today's demo video is on the PDF Generator for WordPress Pro plugin, in which I will demonstrate the premium features of the plugin. You can check and buy the plugin from the video's description, or for any doubts you can put your queries in the comment section and we will be glad to help you. And if you want to watch the video on the free version of the PDF Generator for WordPress plugin, we have mentioned the link to the demo video in the description content. You can watch it from there. Are you looking for a solution to convert your posts, products and pages into PDF with just one click? Leverage PDF Generator for WordPress Pro plugin that will smoothly convert your product, pages and posts into PDF. Having the facility of PDF helps the merchants and the customers to easily download the file and view the PDF offline. The plugin also comes with the customizable PDF design that will help to build your brand and increase brand awareness. Before proceeding with the plugin setup part, let's understand what is PDF Generator for WordPress Pro plugin. PDF Generator for WordPress Pro is a plugin that assists the WooCommerce merchants and the customers to download the PDF for post, product and pages in just one click. The PDF plugin allows the merchants to customize the PDF as per their brand and business requirements. Moreover, the admin can easily customize the icon display, footer, header and the body section of the PDF, and the admin can also add watermark text and the images as per his needs. Having this plugin will greatly help, as it will ease out the process of creating the PDF and then sending it to the customer, as it also provides the option to directly mail the PDF whenever the customer clicks on the PDF icon to download the PDF. Now let's move to the setup and installation part. Before starting with the setup part, if you really like watching the plugin tutorial videos and various plugin updates, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification icon in order to get the latest plugin updates and demonstration of the plugin working. We are on the WordPress dashboard, so before starting with the backend settings, let me first explain you how you can easily install the plugin. So you can easily get the plugin from the video description content. So from there you can buy the plugin. So here you can visit this and here you can buy this plugin. And once you have got the zip file, then you have to move to plugins and hover on this and click on add new. So make sure while you are installing the pro plugin, you must have the free plugin, that is PDF Generator, like this plugin. So before installing the pro plugin, you must have this plugin. As you can see that I have already installed this plugin. So after installing this plugin, then you have to click on upload plugin and here you can choose the zip file and here you can click on this and you can click on install now. So as you can see that the plugin has been installed. Now you have to click on activate plugin. So here as you can see that the plugin has been activated, PDF Generator for WordPress Pro. So here you can click on the settings to go to the backend settings. Otherwise you can hover on this and you can simply click on PDF Generator for WordPress. We are on the backend settings of PDF Generator for WordPress Pro plugin. So here in this demo video, I will be explaining you about what are the premium features of this plugin. And if you want to watch the detailed part on the free version of the plugin, so we have mentioned the link in the description content, so you can watch it from there, or we have also added the suggestion card, so you can click on it here and watch the free version demo video on PDF Generator for WordPress plugin. So let's start with the premium features of the plugin. So here as you can see that in this general settings, from here you can enable this plugin, and if you want to include the categories and tag and display the post date and author name on the PDF, so simply you can click on this tick box and the categories, tag and post date and author name will be displayed on the PDF. So here all these features are included in the free version of the plugin. So you can watch the free version demo video on the PDF Generator for WordPress plugin. So let's move to the next setting, that is PDF settings. So we are on the PDF settings tab. So here as you can see that these are the sub tabs that are icon display, header, body and footer. So here when I will scroll down, so as you can see that this is the feature for the bulk download. So with the PDF Pro plugin, the admin will get an exclusive feature of bulk download by which he can allow the customers to download the post, product and pages PDF in bulk at once. So this will be an outstanding feature for the customers as it will save the customers time and the PDF will be downloaded at once. So from here let's enable this option and let's click on save settings. And now let's move to the shop page, and here let us select any of the product and click on this. So when I will scroll down, so as you can see that the option of bulk download is coming here. So from here let's click on this. So as you can see that it has been added in the bulk download. So as you can see that here it is showing this icon, as you can see that of bulk PDF. So now let's again go back and let's select any other product, this, and let's add this also. So as you can see that 2 products have been added to download in the bulk. So as you can see that here, and as it is showing the option for creating the zip or if you want to create the PDF. So let's create the PDF. So as you can see that the bulk PDF is being downloaded. So let's view this. As you can see that these two PDFs for the product that we have selected to download in bulk, so they have been downloaded. As you can see that for this Happy Ninja and for this Flying Ninja, it is coming here. So this is how the admin can allow this feature of downloading the bulk PDF and allow the customers to download the PDFs for the post, product and pages in bulk. So let's again go back. Now let's scroll down, and here as you can see that here the option the admin will be getting to choose a single download PDF icon, as well as the admin will get the option also to choose the bulk download PDF icon. So if he wants a customizable bulk download PDF icon, so from here he can upload the bulk download PDF icon, and here he can decide the icon size. So this is how he can easily customize the bulk download PDF icon and enable this bulk download PDF option from here. Now let's move to the next sub tab, that is body. So we are on the body section. So if you want to watch the detailed part, like how to customize the header section, how to customize the body and footer, so you can watch the free version demo video on the PDF Generator for WordPress plugin. So you can easily understand the features related to the icon display, header, body and footer. So in this demo video, I will only explain you about the premium features of the plugin. So let's scroll down. So here in this Pro plugin, you will get the premium feature of adding the watermark image along with the addition of watermark text. So here as you can see that with this Pro plugin, the admin can add watermark image also, and he will also get the customizations related to the watermark image like watermark angle, watermark position, watermark opacity, and if he wants to choose the customized watermark image, so he can upload his watermark image as per his brand requirements. And if he wants to alter the image size, so from here he can easily alter the watermark image size. So let's enable this functionality, and here as you can see that watermark angle I have decided as -45, and watermark position is left and top is 200 and 200, and opacity is I have decided is 0.2. So let's choose watermark image. So like this you can choose the watermark image, and now you have to click on save settings. So now let's again go back and let's delete one of this product which was added in the bulk product. So I have deleted this, and now let's also delete this. So as you can see that one product is only remaining. So let's click on create PDF. Or you can also select it from here also, like here if you want to download a single PDF for the product. So I am selecting this, and let's view this. So when I will scroll down, as you can see that this is the watermark image that we have selected, and the watermark angle that we have decided that was -45, so it is coming here, and the opacity we have decided it 0.2. so suppose if we change the opacity, like if I select like 0.5, and let me select this angle as -90, and now let me click on save settings, and now let me again download this PDF. So I have downloaded this PDF. So now let me view this PDF. So as you can see that this is the watermark angle that as you can see that it is coming here. So this is because we have decided the angle as -90, so it is coming here because of this. So this is how you can decide the different angle for your watermark image. And if you want to add the watermark text, so you can enable it from here. So both watermark text along with the watermark image will come here. So if you want to add the watermark text, so simply you can enable this. So this was all about the how you can easily add the watermark image and customize different angle of watermark image and position and opacity of the watermark image, and you can decide the watermark image as per your brand requirements. So if you want to disable this, so from here you can disable this and click on save settings. So now let's cut this. So this was all about how to add the watermark image, and now let's move to the next tab, that is advanced settings. So we are on the advanced settings tab. So in the advanced settings tab, the admin will find the settings related to showing icons for the post type, and the admin will also get the option to upload the custom font file, which he can upload in .ttf format, thus giving the facility to the admin to use his own custom font as per his brand requirements. So with this pro plugin, the admin will get the feature of uploading the custom font file as per his brand requirements. So this is how in this advanced settings the admin can click on choose file and upload the custom font file. So this was all about the premium features included in the advanced settings tab. Now let's move to the next tab, that is meta field settings. We are on the meta field settings. So in this PDF Pro plugin, the admin will get a detailed section of meta fields in which the admin can show the meta fields, or he can also show like extra information related to the post, product and pages, that is definitely called meta fields. So like if the admin wants to show the meta fields for the product, so from here he can click on this tick box, and in this Pro plugin the admin will get also the exclusive feature of renaming the meta fields key as per his requirements. Like it is written like a thumbnail ID. So if I want to write only thumbnail, and let me click on this, and let me click on save settings. So let's go to the shop page and download this PDF. First let me refresh this. So now let me download this and let me view this. So as you can see that this is the meta field that we have decided to show on this PDF, that was thumbnail, and whatever the name I have decided from the back end, like thumbnail, if I write like thumbnail image, and let me click on save settings. And now when I will download this PDF, so let me show you. So here as you can see that the text is coming as thumbnail image. So this is how easily you can rename the meta fields as per your requirements and enable the meta fields for the product, pages and post as well. So this is how, if you want to rename the meta fields key as per your requirements, so you can easily do it by clicking on here, and whatever the meta fields you want to show on the PDF, simply you just have to click on this, and that particular meta fields for that particular product will be shown on the PDF. So below this you must be seeing that this is some of the short code is given here. So basically in this Pro plugin we have provided this short code in case like if you want individual meta fields to be added at certain places. So then you can use this short code and replace this, as you can see that this WPS field with this meta field name, and you can copy this and paste in the custom template. When I will be explaining you about how to create the custom template, then I will show you how to copy this short code and paste anywhere on this on the custom templates. So I will show you after some time. So this was all about how to add meta fields or show the meta fields on the PDF and rename the meta fields key, and rest for adding the meta fields key at particular place with the help of shortcode I will be explaining you when I will explain you about how to create the custom template. So this was all about the meta field settings. Now let's move to the next tab, that is taxonomy settings. We are on the taxonomy settings. So in the pro version plugin of PDF, the admin will get a dedicated tab for the taxonomy settings, which includes showing the information related to the categories, tags, shipping class, and much more for the post, product, and pages. So here, as you can see, that if the admin wants to show the taxonomy fields for the post, so from here he can enable this. He can also rename the taxonomy fields. Suppose if I want to enable the taxonomy fields for the product, so simply I will click on this tick box and I will click on save settings. And whatever the taxonomy fields I want to show, like if I want to show the taxonomy fields for the product type, like what is the product type? It is simple product, variable product. So here I can also rename, like suppose if I write like only I want to show product. I have written product, and let me click on save settings. And now let us go to the shop page and let us select any of the different product. Let us select Happy Ninja and let us download the PDF for this product. So let me open this. So when I will scroll down, as you can see that this is the taxonomy field that is coming here and showing the product type as simple. So here I have renamed the taxonomy field as only product. So suppose if I have written like product type, so here it will come product type. But in the backend I have only written product, so that's why in this PDF it is showing only product and it is showing the product type as simple. So this is how you can enable the taxonomy fields as per your requirements. And if you want to rename the taxonomy fields, so as you can see that how easily it can be done, and it saves much of your time, and the admin can easily rename the taxonomy fields as per his business requirements. So after doing this, make sure you have clicked on save settings, otherwise whatever the changes you have made, it will not be displayed on the PDF. So this was all about how to enable the taxonomy for the various post, product, and pages. So now let us move to the next tab, that is layout settings. We are on the layout settings tab. So here as you can see that these are the two sub tabs, that are cover page and internal page. So with this pro plugin, the admin will get the different types of cover page which can be added in the PDF as a cover page for the PDF. Moreover, the admin can also add, like if you will scroll down, so as you can see that the cover page are available for the single PDF also, and the cover page can also be added for the bulk PDF. And here the admin can also customize, like here the admin can put his company name, company logo, and cover page image. Here simply he can also upload the cover page image also, and if the company tagline is there, so here he can enter the company tagline, company email, company address, and here he can mention the company URL along with the company phone number. Like if I write like here company name is WP Swings, and here let me upload the logo as well, and here like if you want to upload the cover page image, so from here you can upload, and here let me write like company tagline, fuel WordPress growth, not complexities. So I have written this company tagline, and here you can write like company email, or here you can like here you can write like company address and company URL, like I have written like this, and here you can update the company phone number also. So after doing this, you can also select like which template you want to choose, and here let me activate this, and here you can also select to preview this. So as you can see that this is the preview option that is showing here, and once you have previewed it, you can click on activate, like I have activated this. And now let me click on save settings. Now let me go to the shop page and download any PDF, and let me open this. So here as you can see that this is the cover page, and the logo that I have uploaded and the name I have decided for the company name is coming here. And as you can see that this is the title or tagline that I have decided, fuel WordPress growth, not complexities. And here I have decided like whatever the company URL is there, so it is coming here. And if I would have updated the mail and address and the phone number, so that would be updated here. So this is how you can update the details as per your requirements. So this is how easily you can select the cover page for your PDF and customize as per your brand and business requirements. Moreover, as you can see that here, after doing the cover page customizations and selecting the cover page, we have also provided another option for the internal page. Like suppose whatever the PDF is there, so here we have given the option like you can add custom template as per your requirements. Like here, as you can see that create template. So as soon as you will click on create template, so one custom template will be added where you will get the 3 links for the editing link that will be header, body and footer, that can be edited as per your requirements, or you can add whatever fields you want to add for creating that template. Like suppose if I have clicked on create template. As you can see that the template has been added successfully, and when I will scroll down, as you can see that this template has been added. So from here, as you can see that here the admin can decide the status, like if he wants to activate this particular template and at which time this was updated. So as you can see that this date is showing August 22, and if he wants to see the preview of the custom template that he has created, so from here he can click on this and he can preview the custom template. Next, he will be getting the template editing link for the header, body and footer. So here he can select that particular editing link which he wants to edit, and here if he wants to delete that particular custom template, so he can simply delete it. So now let me click on body. So here, as you can see that we are on the body section, and here when you will click on this plus icon, you can search for PDF snippets like this. So here when you will click on this, so here you will get all the related fields that are related to the PDF snippets, like title, content, meta fields, taxonomy, created date. So here you can select like content if you want to show the content, or here if you want to show the taxonomy, or if you want to show the author or page number. So accordingly you can decide the position with the help of PDF snippets anywhere on the body section. Like here if you want to show the post meta field, so here you can remove this, and here you can add another, like if you want to show here taxonomy, so here you can show the taxonomy, and here you can rename this. So this is how you can change the whole section of the body. Like if you want to change the position of the title, so from here you can select different thing. Like if you want to show the post meta field, so here you can select the meta field, so meta fields will be shown here. So and you can show the like whatever the title, description, post, taxonomy, or whatever the PDF fields are related, so you can show anywhere on the body as per your requirements. So let's again go back. So same goes for the header and footer section also. And now let me show you one more feature, that is adding the QR code. Like if I select like QR code, and let me copy this, and here like if I want to show it here, so simply I will write like search for the short code, and here I will paste that like this. So after doing this, you have to click on update. Now you have to go to the this section and download the PDF, and now let's view the PDF. So as you can see that the PDF must be not coming here, because from the backend you have to activate this template. So firstly let's activate this template and click on save settings, and now let us download this PDF. So as you can see that QR code is coming here. So this is coming here because from the back end, like here as you can see that we have placed this short code here, so that's why it's coming here. So this is how you can edit the custom template as per your requirements. Now let me show you one more thing. Like when I will go back, and here let me click on meta field settings, and here let me copy this. Simply you can click on this copy section, and here you can go here and you can paste this like this. And so once you have pasted this short code, now you have to go back here, and here you have to copy this and here you have to paste this in place of WPS field like this, and then you have to click on update. Now you have to go here and download this PDF, and let me open this. So now as you can see that here the post meta field and thumbnail ID and all this post taxonomy is coming here. So this is because I have placed this shortcode here, so that's why it's showing here. So this is how you can place this meta field shortcode anywhere on the body, header and footer section, and you can decide the placement as per your requirements. So let's again go back. So let's delete this and let's click on update. So we are on the internal page. So as you can see that I have explained you about this QR code shortcode. So basically in this Pro plugin we have provided you this feature so that you can add QR code, and whenever the customer is viewing this PDF or he has sent to another one of his friends or family member, so directly another user can scan the QR code and he will be redirected to that particular product, post or page where he can view that particular product directly on the shop page. So QR code will directly redirect the user or whatever the customer that is scanning the QR code to that particular product to which QR code is added. So QR code can be a great feature for your PDF that can help your customers or users to scan the QR code directly and redirect to that particular product on your shop page. So this was all about how to implement the custom template or how to customize the custom template as per your requirements by customizing the header, body and footer section of the templates. And if you want to enable the template by default template, so simply you have to click on this activate, and by default template will be activated. So this was all about the layout settings tab. Now let's move to the next tab, that is PDF logs. So we are on the PDF logs tab. So from this tab the admin can keep all the logs of PDF files and can see all the important details such as username, email and time, and the admin can also delete the logs by performing the bulk action. So here we have provided the option to delete these logs in bulk. Like here you can select whatever the logs you want to delete in bulk. Simply you need to click on delete and then you need to click on apply. So this is how you can delete the logs in bulk. Now as you can see that here in this PDF log section the admin will be able to see post ID, username, email and at which time this PDF was downloaded. So here as you can see that it is showing post ID and username, and email is not there because the username is a guest, so he must have not provided that email address. And secondly, if you want to get the email address, so simply you can select that option to directly email the user. Then the guest user will be required to enter the email so that he can get the PDF on his email. So this is how you can see all the logs of the PDF in this dedicated PDF log section tab. So this was all about the PDF logs tab. Now let's move to the PDF upload. So here as you can see that here the two options are given, like access to user and access to guest. So here basically the admin can provide the access to users and guests to download the posters, and here the admin can choose the posters by clicking on this upload doc. So basically this PDF upload tab I have explained you in detail in the free version demo video, so you can watch it by visiting the link in the description content, or you can click on the suggestion card that I have already told you, so you can also watch it from there. So one thing more I want to tell you, here you can go to the product section and the admin can also export the PDF from the back end for the post and product and pages. Simply he need to go here, and here he can click on this, and here he can download or export the PDF for whatever the product he wants to download. So from here he can export the PDF for the particular product. So let's again go back. This was all about the demo video on PDF Generator for WordPress Pro plugin. If you have any doubts or queries regarding the plugin functionalities, you can mention your queries in the comment section, and the links to the product have been mentioned in the video description content. You can check and get all the details. For any doubt, contact us anytime and we will be glad to help you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and press the bell notification icon to get all the latest updates related to our channel. Until the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.